Alright, here are some jazz chords we're all familiar with. But for beginners, this is called a 2-5-1 progression. Why is it called 2-5-1? Because if we're in the key of B flat and we go to the 2, that's the 2. This is the 5, and that's the 1. So here's the scale: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then back to 1. 2, 5, 1. So I'm going to show you the first chord. Grab your guitar, okay? The first chord is the C minor 7th, and I'm simply playing it like this. The next chord is a F flatted 9, F7 with a flat 9. Nice, right? Then the last chord is the 1, which is a B flat major 7. 2, 5, 1. Isn't that sweet? Alright. So, this is the fingering. I'm using my third finger to play the 4th, the 3rd, and the 2nd string. And I'm using my second finger to skip over the 5th string because that's going to be dead. And we're going to play the 6th string. So that's the 2. That is a C minor 7. Here's the 5. It's an F7 with a flat 9. I'm using my second finger, first finger, third finger. Second finger is played by the first finger. That first finger is flat. So that one you might have to work on. Okay? And the last one is a B flat major 7. And you can hit that last note if you want. So I'm using my first finger, third finger, fourth finger, second finger, and I'm catching that with my index finger. I'm getting 2 for 1. So let's dress it up a little bit. What am I doing with this hand? I'm simply plucking the strings of the notes of the chord. Thumb, first, second, third finger. So you might want to just practice this and go like this. Pop, pop. Next chord you'll practice is the F7, the flat 9. Same thing. And I'm pulling the strings. Then I'm going to play the B flat major 7. Pull, 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 pull. Alright? There you go. 2-5-1 progression in the key of B flat.